to turn on always on display on Oppo A80 5G, first of all, you will have to open Google Play Store, click on the search, and select search pool, and input this phrase AOD, and go for the search. When you do this, you can find a lot of apps, but we have to search for AOD application. Wait a minute. No, it was actually this one, the AOA application. There we go. So click to install. And after installation is finished, we have to click on the open button. There we go. Now click to let's go. Click to allow now. And now select AOA application and click on this switcher. Then go back again, and click to allow now to get access into the notifications. Click allow, go back, click consent, and now click on the service. And as you can see right now it is enabled, but we can also get the brightness level, so I'll recommend you to actually increase the brightness level. And now when you lock your display, we should get, there we go, as you can see right now we've got the always on display. Of course you can tap here and this notification will be removed, and that's how you can do this. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.